Respect isn't something you demand. It's something people feel toward you naturally. But most people either give up or try to be aggressive, and it backfires. Today, I'll show you the psychological approach that makes people respect you, without being harsh, loud, or pushy. Before we dive in, think about this. Has someone ever ignored you or dismissed your opinion because you tried too hard to be respected? When I was younger, I thought respect meant being tough or intimidating. I'd raise my voice, argue endlessly, and push to be taken seriously. But what happened? People avoided me. My influence shrank. That's when I realized respect isn't forced, it's earned. And most people make the same mistake because they don't understand the psychology behind human behavior. Principle 1. Self-respect. Humans subconsciously mirror how we treat ourselves. If you're calm, confident, and firm with your boundaries, people follow your lead. But if you're desperate for approval, people sense it, even when you're silent. Think of a leader you admire. Are they loud and harsh? Or calm, composed, and firm without yelling? That's self-respect. Set clear boundaries. Stand by your values. Speak confidently, even in small ways. Do you struggle with saying no to people? Comment yes or no. Principle 2. Communication over aggression. You can say the same thing aggressively or calmly, and the calm approach almost always wins. Someone interrupts you? You can yell, or you can calmly say, "Excuse me, I'd like to finish my point." Tips 1. Maintain eye contact without staring. 2. Speak a little slower. 3. Don't raise your voice unless absolutely necessary. Try this. Calmly correct someone today. Watch how different their reaction is. Principle 3. Boundaries. People respect you when they know what you will and won't tolerate. That doesn't mean being harsh. It means being clear and consistent. A friend keeps interrupting you? Say, "Let me finish my thought, then I'll listen to yours." Steps. 1. Identify where you're being taken advantage of. 2. Communicate limits clearly. 3. Enforce them consistently. Where in your life are you letting people walk over you? Write it down. Principle 4. Make people feel valued. Respect is reciprocal. People respect those who respect them. When you make someone feel understood, they naturally respect you more. At work, instead of dominating conversations, ask others for their thoughts. They'll respect yours because you respect theirs. Steps 1. Listen more than you speak. 2. Show empathy. 3. Acknowledge others before adding your own point. Try this. Listen fully in your next conversation. Watch how differently people respond. Principle 5. The power pause. Silence is a tool. A strategic pause signals confidence. In debates, pause 2 to 3 seconds before answering. It makes your response feel more thoughtful and authoritative. Steps 1. Breathe before responding. 2. Don't rush to fill silence. 3. Use pauses to emphasize key points. I challenge you. Try a power pause today. The 5 rules. 1. Respect yourself. 2. Communicate calmly. 3. Set boundaries. 4. Make others feel valued. 5. Use strategic pauses. Respect isn't earned through force. It's earned through awareness, subtlety, and consistency. Apply these today and people will respect you naturally. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment which principle you'll start with. I read every comment.